So, hon, what should we make for a snack?
I don't know.
I have an idea. Follow me. Okay. I got some onion. One medium onion. Oh, we got salsa. Salsa. Cantina style salsa.
Oh, I love that salsa.
And I also have some longaniza that I opened the other day and I forgot to cook it. This time, we're going to the pantry. Frijoles. 1 can of big frijoles.
Pinto beans.
Pinto beans.
Okay.
Alright, so I think this recipe, we're not going to use no salt, no nothing. But I have 2 garlics chopped already.
Garlic.
That was that fast, I know. I'm that fast. So
is this all you need?
Yeah, that's all we're going to need today.
And that's going to be a snack, right?
Yes.
Or a side dish?
Yes.
Okay.
No salt, no pepper.
Okay.
You don't need it.
All
this
right.
thing has a lot of different ingredients, a lot of seasonings.
Yep, probably a lot of salt already.
Ooh.
Yep.
620.
620 mg's of salt.
So you will need no salt. For a medium onion, cut it in slices, just 4. You want it to be a little bigger. You don't want it to be too small. Chunky like that. There. I like it big, like big pieces like this. We'll put the garlic and these together. Add a little bit of oil, just so your longaniza or chorizo doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan or pot or anything you're gonna be cooking on it. You're gonna need something deep. So like this, because you're gonna be adding the beans on it with the juice. Don't throw away the juice. So we take our longaniza, right?
And you play with it.
And you play with it and you dump it somewhere on the floor.
And you make a mess on the floor so I can clean it. You know, this is what happens in our household. My husband cooks and I clean.
So with this one, you could just cut it up a little bit on the top. And all you do is just peel this off. Look at that.
Easy.
Easy peasy. Oops. Rip it in pieces like this big. Make sure it's like nice and chunky like that. Right now we're just gonna leave this until it starts cooking down around it, and then we'll throw the onion and garlic. So we wait now. So let's look at the. It's nice and cooked now. Onions and garlic. Put up the heat a little bit and just mix these together. We're gonna leave it about 10 minutes on fire for now, just to get the flavors of the onion and the garlic out to the chorizo. Low heat is fine. A little bit of oil just so the stuff doesn't burn out. There's the stuff right now. Would you look at that? Okay, so now that it's like this, now the onions are already a little more cooked. Once the onions are cooked, grab our salsa. See, look at that. Yum yum. And boom.
14 ounce.
You could add a little bit of water to these. Don't leave nothing behind. And then mix it around.
So you just want to make sure that you have some kind of fresh type of salsa that you put in here, because it gives more flavor to it.
We're gonna get our beans. 40 ounces. For the beans, we're gonna throw everything inside. We need that juice to make this a little more watery, so it even tastes better too. So we just dump them in there. Make sure you get everything out of the bottom. Don't forget to recycle. And now we're gonna put the heat to up to medium high. And we'll let them sit for 5 minutes on medium high. Then later you put him down too low for another 10 minutes. And this is the result of chorizo bean chili. Would you like to try, babe?
Yes, let me go ahead and take a bite of this yumminess. Let's see. Alrighty. I don't know, it's hot. Wow. Seriously? This is so good. This is like a fast version of actually making a chili. So I had no idea that it was gonna taste this way. I think because of the salsa, but it tastes amazing. You could add some sour cream. Avocado is already there, but I think that's all you need, and it tastes exactly like chili. It tastes so good, delicious.
You're welcome.
It is delicious.
And it all came out of here. And she's wiping her hands on my shirt.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Till next time.
Till next time. Peace.